Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a face-off between two heavyweights, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the AnkerMake M5C. If you're looking to print your own action figures, custom gadgets, or just a 3D printed version of your cat, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. ELEGOO Mars 4 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. That's right, folks. For less than the cost of a decent gaming chair, you can start your 3D printing journey. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C will set you back $399. While it's a bit pricier, many reviewers say the additional features and build quality justify the cost. Now, on to print quality. ELEGOO Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K Mono LCD with 8,520 by 4,320 resolution. That's more pixels than your grandma's TV. And with 18 micrometers XY resolution, your prints will have details finer than a cat's whisker. Reviewers love the high resolution and easy setup, though some mention concerns about the durability of the FEP film. On the other hand, AnkerMake M5C promises high-speed prints with Power Boost 2.0 technology and an ultra-direct extruder. It can hit speeds up to 500 millimeters per second while keeping a 0.1 millimeters precision. It's like the Ferrari of 3D printers. Reviewers appreciate its speed and solid build quality, though some note it can be noisy and has minor issues at high speeds. ELEGOO Mars 4 offers a build volume of 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters. It's like the tiny house of 3D printers, compact but cozy. Perfect for those intricate, small-scale projects. While the AnkerMake M5C doesn't specify its build volume in the description, its higher price suggests a more versatile and capable machine. Reviewers find it suitable for a variety of print sizes, making it a versatile choice for different projects. ELEGOO Mars 4 rocks a 3.5-inch touchscreen with model preview and real-time progress bar. It's like having a little buddy that shows you exactly how your print is going. Plus, their professional tech support promises to respond within 24 business hours. Reviewers find it easy to use for beginners, though it has a slight learning curve. AnkerMake M5C takes it a step further with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can control it from your phone while lying on the couch eating chips. The AnkerMake app is so user-friendly, even your technophobic uncle could use it. Reviewers praise its user-friendly app and slicer, though some mention minor software bugs. ELEGOO Mars 4 has a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion. Your prints will stick better than that one friend who just won't leave after the party is over. Plus, the COB light source ensures uniform exposure, making your prints consistent and accurate. Reviewers appreciate the high adhesion and consistent results. AnkerMake M5C comes loaded with features: 49-point automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery, and a PEI flexible magnetic plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. While it may not make coffee, reviewers love its convenient features and solid performance, despite minor issues at high speeds. Overall, reviewers are pleased with both 3D printers. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is praised for its high-resolution prints and ease of use, making it a great choice for those on a budget or just starting out. However, some users have concerns about the durability of the FEP film. The AnkerMake M5C, while pricier, is lauded for its speed, build quality, and user-friendly features. It's a fantastic option for those looking to upgrade to a faster and more versatile machine, though it can be noisy and has minor issues at high speeds. So which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and want high-resolution prints, ELEGOO Mars 4 is your go-to. But if you're looking for speed, versatility, and a ton of features, the AnkerMake M5C is your new best friend. Either way, you can't go wrong. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Leave a comment below on which printer you think takes the crown and why. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.